at minimum speed the tail slant. Fighter pilots are saying if you can't turn tight, you can't fight. Coming off the aircraft, indicating it is getting close to the speed of sound.
Certainly.
The aircrew, Grippy and Trig, will be very careful not to exceed the speed of sound, lest they break windows in buildings and automobiles. Keep in mind, just under the speed of sound, it is merely 1/2 of the speed capability of the F18. Ladies and gentlemen, turning the corner at 0.9 or 90% of the speed of sound. Mach 9.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, Mach 0.95. Ladies and gentlemen, get this in your cameras.
Good luck. Oh my God.
That is a win.
I can't even tell.
I don't know if I got it.
Absolutely.
Did you get that?
I might have.
Get ready for the vertical pirouette.
Man,
As
I was afraid it was going to go boom.
It's still recording, so we're good.
Maneuver. The speed will be 350 miles per hour. They'll put the aircraft into the